Okay, so I wanted to make sure we all remembered how to do a Google assignment in our Canvas account. So hopefully you remember how to get to our homeroom page. Once we're here, we'll scroll down and hit the tree, which is the Learn button. And then we will be in our classroom. When you scroll down, you can see the Tuesday activities that we've already done. The Wednesday activities are right here. If you're going to do your Google activity, you can practice with our Google project, our Getting to Know You slide. Remember, when you click on this, you're going to need to log into your Google account. So if you have not already done so, you will need to go to Google and use your Springford username and password. It's the same one that you use to log into Clever or to our Canvas page. So it's your Springford email and then that special password. If you need that, you're going to email me and I will get you that information. So once you're in the project and you've signed into Google, it'll look like this. Remember, you'll see it down below, but you won't be able to really edit it down here. It's too small. So please make sure you click this blue link at the top, and that's going to open a new Google page with the assignment on it. So you're going to need to edit this first. Remember to put your name here. That's my name there. You want to put your name. And then it says to add 3 pictures of things you like. If you remember from yesterday, we're going to go up to our toolbar to find a picture. The one that looks like a mountain in the frame, that is a picture button. When you click it, you have some options. I can pick a picture that's already on my computer. If you have some pictures in a file somewhere, you can use that. But most of us are going to want to scroll down to this one, search the web, and click. A bar should pop up on your side, and you're going to type in the exact words that you're looking for. So pictures of things you like. So I want to find a picture of movies. We all know Mrs. Phillips likes to watch movies. Oops. And I'm going to hit enter to search for it. I'm going to use the bar on the side to scroll down. I'm going to see lots of different options for pictures. I'm going to find one that I like. I liked this one here. It's going to have the check mark to say that I selected it. And then I want to hit the insert button and it should pop up right on my slide. Now that's too big on mine, so I'm going to make it smaller. I'm going to move it over here. And then I'm going to find another picture. So again, to find a picture, I'm going to go up to the picture bar and click. I'm going to choose to search the web. And I'm going to pick something else that I like. I like dogs, so I'm going to type dog picture. Wow, there's a lot of different kinds of dogs. Just going to find one that I think is cute. Here's a cutie. And I'm going to put them in my slide. Again, too big. I'm going to make it smaller. I'm going to slide it over. I need one more picture here. I like school. That's a great one right at the top. So I'm going to click that one. But you could slide down and pick the one that you think is best. Okay, now I have 1, 2, 3 pictures of things I like. I finished this assignment. Now I need to turn it in. So I need to go back up to the top, switch back to my Canvas account, excuse me. You'll see at the bottom it's changed because I edited the information. And then I would have a button right here that would say submit. Since I'm not a student, I don't. But you need to make sure that you come back to this page and submit when you're finished. Otherwise, I won't have anything from you. All right, so that is how you do a Google assignment.